Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to Mailchimp at 2026. So you will need to know that Canva does not fully sync designs directly into Mailchimp for live edits, but you can integrate them in ways that streamline email campaigns. Okay, so at first, you will need just to open your design in Canva. So for example, I will go with that one. And then you will need to click on the share button that's located on the top right corner. So here you will need to go with see all just right here or the three dots, and then just scroll down until you can see a messaging. Okay, so click on see all and then click on Mailchimp. So right now you'll need to click on open, and then you will need to click on connect to Mailchimp, second option. Then just click on connect and enter your account credentials, then click on login. And if you're using the Google account on Mailchimp, just go with that option. And then you will need to authorize Canva, and after that just select the email, campaign, or audience you want to send it to. Then just click add to campaign. Okay, and your Canva design now in Mailchimp ready for use. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.